Hi, this is UniquelyDOUBLEBEE, Don speaking. Got another product from Amazon I'm going to try in my RV, my 2021 Jayco North Point. Anyway, it's this cool toilet paper holder that basically is suction cup to walls or cabinets or anything, so you can basically move it around, and it's got a cell phone holder. On it. Anyway, let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. What we have here is it's got this heavy door to keep the paper, aimed down. Holds one roll. You can anchor it to the wall if you want through the little holes, but this suction attachment just slides on there, and then this upper part is for holding your phone flat. So let me show you here real quick. All right, it comes in these two pieces, and there's this clear film on here that you remove. You stick it flat on the wall, and then you turn this thing so you can create the concave action, to adhere to the wall. Just see these two slots over here. You just line these up, and then it pops right up there real easy. And this is real sticky. So now just find a spot to put it. I got that one there, but it's in the way. So what's really cool is you can basically put this thing anywhere. So let's see, just tighten that down, and voila. It's pretty strong because I'm pushing pretty hard. Alright, well, we'll try it right there for now. It's probably too far back, but more likely I'll take this one off. Well, hold on, let's see what we got here. Here, that's too far back. But it's a tight space anyway. So we'll give it a shot. Good thing is it moves anywhere. Alright. I like it. Especially it's good in our small bathroom. In this small space here, you gotta be able to not have this roll hitting you in the leg while you're doing your business. When I got the fat roll on there, it just pushes on your leg. At least this one you can move around. And you want to have your earbuds in and lay your phone right here, it's good to go too. So as you can see in here, our bathroom, this is our half bath. Pretty tight in the RV. But RV folks, they put theirs the inside of this cabinet, but if you got a roll on it, it just keeps knocking all your crap over inside there. So we hardly ever use that. But as you can see, when I'm sitting here, I'm 6 feet tall. You can put this thing anywhere, but if it's right there, the cabinet door can't open. Put it up here, put it above the sink. That's pretty good, it works. Or you can put it on the opposite wall, out of the way, but then your countertop can't be used really. So if we say we stick it right there. And there you go. Again, easy peasy, put it anywhere you want, and goes with the wall decor. It's a great product.